Hello everyone, this is my project for class 699. This is in continuation with the class work which I have done in previous semester in 695. So in 695 I was able to recognize these faces and match them against my database of images. So this is in continuation to that, enhancing the biometric security using fingerprints matching. So in this system I am trying to match fingerprints and see whether if they are authenticated based on that or not. So let's see the project in action. So for that I have a class called python.py which is my initiation class. I will execute that class. That class takes two parameters as an input, which is two sets of fingerprints which needs to be matched. So I have some fingerprints stored in my databases. So I'll just go ahead and do that. I'll provide a couple of fingerprints here. So first I will give two matching sets of fingerprints and let the system decide whether they are 100% match or not. So let's see. So here I have done my class app.py, executing it with two parameters, passing two images, and let's see how it works. So during this execution, what it will do is the images which are provided, it will read those images, convert them into grayscale, and enhance them so that the points in the fingerprints are taken off of it and kept it inside a vector, and those vectors are matched against each other. So shortly there will be an output which will let me know that these are the points which we have captured. It takes a little bit of time because we are trying to enhance the images so that we can get optimal or correct vector points. Okay, so after providing two sets of fingerprints, it has captured the data points across both the images. That is what is shown right now. If we want, we can plot that and we can use this image again. So after this input has been gathered, what the next step is, it will try to match each data point from one vector of image to another. Let's see, once this output is closed, it will start doing that. Okay, so this is the second output in which we are trying to match each data point as in two different images and then compare them again. So once those are 100% matching, we can say that the fingerprints are matched. So in this case, they are matching, the overlapping. That's why we have an output called fingerprints matches. So this way we can say that both the fingerprints which are provided to the system match perfectly. So let's see if they don't match, what happens. I will try to run the same thing again. In this case, I'll give two different sets of fingerprints to our system and we'll execute them again. Similarly, again it will try to capture vectors. Once those vectors are captured and try to keep them in stored vector form, those fingerprints then are compared again, and if they are not matching, it will spit out output as fingerprints does not match. Let's see that in action. Shortly it will again spit out an output that these are the data points captured for two images which we have provided to the system. Okay, we found our output in which two fingerprints we have captured all the data points which are there in that fingerprint. So this is the form in which the vectors are stored, getting an x coordinate and a y coordinate, and then we store them in an array, vector array form. Once I close this, it will try to match those two fingerprints again. As you have seen in the previous image format, those outputs were almost symmetrical. Everything was horizontal and correctly, but this time one finger like the set of fingerprints which does not match have all the zigzag vector coordinates, and that's why the system will say fingerprint does not match. Right. Thank you. This is my project for this term. Please let me know if you have any questions.